tayo mga Pilipino. Magaling tayo makikitungo sa mga iba't ibang lahi.
At saka
May mga ugali kasi tayong tawag nila na generosity.
generosity.
No, generosity and honesty.
Parang malalim na English yun.
No, English, pati tawag na
Generosity.
a pleasure to other people. Oh. Yung halimbawa, may bisita ka. Marunong ka entertain. You respect to other
Before you respect yourself, respect each other. Ganun ba?
before you respect yourself,
You need
respect
to
the other people.
other people.
So you always put it in your mind.
Okay, okay.
Yes. Because at this moment, paano kayo nangyari at this moment? This moment, itong moment na ito, you are talking about what I mean, yung pag-uugali, attitude,
All kinds of attitude.
and good manners in right conduct
Parang kanina na yan
para sa
Parang narinig ko na yan, sir.
sa school, natutunan natin.
Good manners and right conduct.
Be kind to other people. Be
Yeah,
kind
that's
to-
right.
Even the animal, be kind.
That's true.
You can communicate them as good as possible.
That's possible. Parang ano na.
Be strong.
Stay strong, and then
And you have dignity in your own pattern. Malayo, no?
Malalim na talaga.
Malalim. English na yan.
English ka talaga, pero malalim.
Malalim na talaga. So, I shall return. Kita mo yan. Pastor. Ayan, maliwasan. Airport. Ayan. Maganda. So, you can see this beside us.
Yes.
There's so many vehicles passing around.
Yeah, that's right.
So, maybe they can see us, what we are doing,
Yes.
until the end of the time.
Maybe many customer.
Oh yeah,
They come back.
they'll see that, oh, even though they are not, they are happy. They are smiling always. Even foreigner passing by, we greet them very well.
Parang ano speed daw nila.
Ha?
English mo ah.
Eh, siyempre. Laki kaya ang average ko sa English noon.
Okay. Diba?
Hindi na sa pagyayabang. Sa high school ako lang.
Ano pala?
Chicken na yung mga ganyan.
Para.
Masaya na ako nun. Nakakuha ako ng 74. 74.
Hindi mo.
Yung unang kuhan. Ganito.
Then
First, ano ba yan? First grading.
first grading.
No. Pagdating na first grading, 74, umangat ako. Bigla.
Magkano?
Tumaas.
Tumaas? Ano pala?
75 ulit. Yan. Dahan-dahan lang yan. Parang saan yan. Huwag mo biglayin.
Saan na